Hello everybody, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you stay healthy and happy these days. In today's video,
A few moments later.
I'm going to show you how to say come on and xin lỗi in Vietnamese. In this video, I'm going to point out one of the most common mispronounced words in Vietnamese. So how do you say thank you and sorry in Vietnamese? This video, I promise, is super quick and helpful for beginners. And now, let's get started. Okay, so first, cảm ơn, thank you. Okay, I heard a lot of people saying come on, come on, come on. It's English, right? It's Vietnamese. You are learning Vietnamese, so say cảm ơn. Okay, cảm ơn, cảm ơn. Okay, next we have không có chi. You're welcome. Không có chi. Or imagine that you're saying the or and có. Không có chi. Không có chi. Now, xin lỗi. Sorry. Xin lỗi. Okay, one more time, slowly. Xin lỗi. Không sao. That's okay. Không sao. Không sao. Alright. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn, cảm ơn. Chào tạm biệt.